I've been interested and concerned about climate change for a number of years, and increasingly it's getting difficult to know what an individual can actually do to make a difference. And when I sat in the streets in Westminster last year, it felt right. It just felt as if it was the right thing to do.
Human to me means somebody with a conscience.
Just knowing that everyone there feels the same as you.
And it makes me feel like I'm not alone in the sense of panic that I feel sometimes about the environment, and that there's other like-minded people and it will all come together to produce something and hopefully make a difference.
I think it's the most meaningful thing you can try and do is try and create positive change. So I'm just looking forward to being in the right place at the right time, I think.
The people I'm rebelling for are the people who are going to be really badly affected by climate change.
For my two brothers and my older sister.
For everybody, for my own family, for all the families I've ever visited through my work, and for countries around the world that are suffering now.
The severity of weather events around the world, whether it's floods in Pontypridd or fires in Australia, the frequency of those severe weather events is increasing, and that increase is down to climate change. The science on that is undeniable.
It's not enough anymore just to sign a petition. It's got to be people out in the streets.
Admittedly, it's going to be a bit trickier this year because everyone will be social distancing.
I'll be wearing a mask.
So I can walk into the middle of Cardiff city centre now, walk around the shops, go about my business, and that's all perfectly legal and normal and acceptable. We'll not be taking any greater risks than that.
COVID-19 at some point will go away, but the climate crisis won't, and that's what we need to act on.
Basically, you're exercising your basic human right to protest for something that's important.
If we want to live, the time is now to do something, because 2025 is going to be a little too late and 2050 is way too late.
If not us, who? If not now, when?
We are the people of the rebellion.
Rydyn ni'n y pobl o'r gwrthryfel.
Let's change now.
1st of September, Cardiff.